Everyone, my name is Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. I want to show you a selection of brand name women's hats that are received from a very well-known American department store. These hats came with a pallet of handbags, so it gives you an idea of the quality and where they were being sold as well. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to show you different hats, and then we'll look at the price tag, the original price tag. Your price is substantially below the original retail price and below the discounted price. So this hat is color navy with the original retail price of $28.50. Next we have a really cool looking summer cap, color blue with beautiful stripes and beautiful roses, with an original retail price of $24.50. Next, we have these elegant summer hats in various colors with an original retail price of $32.50. Okay, these hats are all similar. This one is a different color, so let's take a look at it. This one is by INC. And this hat has an original retail price of $38.50. Okay, here's another style. Nice black and brown circles. This hat has a gold looking color to it, gold and white, with an original retail price of $32.50. Officially, the size is one size and the color is tan. Now we have here hat color coral, original retail $28.50. It's a nice summer hat, great hat to wear out in the garden or by the beach. Look at this hat. This is a velour style cap, also by INC, with an original retail price of $24.50. This white color cap has a really nice style. I like how these threads come out. Oh, look at the back. Look at the straps on the cap. So you can tie it around. It's really nice. Here we have a blue evening summer hat. See what it says here. Adjustable fit band, with an original retail price of $38.50. So I think I've given you a good idea of what kind of hats you can expect. This is definitely a great closeout if you're selling to women, and if you're selling to women that love hats. And as far as I know, everyone loves hats, men and women. And especially if the hats are very stylish and they're complementary to their dresses, to the women's suits that they wear, to the shoes. If you can match them up with really nice stylish handbags, then you can have the potential to sell a lot more of them. Hey, if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My website is Closeoutexplosion.com. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1917-913-6093. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day.